Hi people, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted here. I am in this beautiful place and I want to show you around. I want to show you the room where I spent the night. It's called Masinga Resort and part of it is just behind me. So guys, come with me and let me show you around. So for starters, this is the parking. So once you come in, this is the parking. They have several parkings. This is just one of those. Yeah, and you come into the parking that way. See how it looks? Very slopey. Yeah, this place is actually built on a hill. That's why it's like that. So you drive up that way. Don't mind the mess. I think they're trying to do something with these wires. But you come that way, and this is the parking. These are some of the houses where you will sleep when you get here. Again, this is called Masinga Resort. It's in Machakos County. Yes. So that's my room up there. That's where we are going. That's where I spent the night. The last 2 days actually. And then we have more spaces down there. Those are more spaces. I told you this place is very slopey, so you can imagine. I mean, that looks very down, but I mean, there's more rooms down there. So the minute you come in, you find these stairs. Go up the stairs, and if you're coming from the other side, you can also use the stairs to come in that way. And then you go up some more. There is a room that side, and then there's the one that I'm using this side. And there are more rooms on the other side. Like you can see, it's a beautiful place. And so this is the room I'm using. That one. This is the room I'm using. If you ever come here, you might want to use that. If you want to spend where I spent. But anyway, all of them are the same. Although they are different in terms of the quality of the rooms is different depending on how much you're willing to spend. So the minute you come in, the first thing you find is actually this space here. I did some room service last night, so you know, my food and stuff. So that is the first service you find, first space you find. And then you find the closets. There isn't a lot there. There's just my shirt. Then this one is completely empty. I've taken my bags to the car. So yeah, I've actually more like cleared. Only a shirt remaining that I'm supposed to iron and change into. Yeah, so, and then you find that space there. That's the bathroom. That's the bathroom. Let me show you around. There isn't really much to show, but it's not a bad one. You have this, yeah, you can put on that light, sink, your soap dish. Is that a soap dish? Yeah, and that one. And then you have your toiletries, your towels. You take your shower there. Take your shower there. And then you do your other business there. So that's how the bathroom looks. It's a simple bathroom, it's not complicated. And then you come in and find that space where you sit and watch the TV, and the TV is there. The TV is set. It's not on, but anyway, I know you know how it should look like. Then there's a fridge there, and then the AC, the bed. This is where I spend the night. You have a side table. I love that seat. It's beautiful. The coffee table. The sugar is there because I took some tea last night. So the TV is on now. So you sit there and just watch the TV. Then there is a balcony, but before the balcony there is that seat which I love. so much. Sometimes you just relax there. Yeah, there is a balcony, another side table there, and beautiful curtain. You can open it up, and then there is a balcony, and then there is this seat. I'm supposed to sit here and just have a beautiful view. And look at that. See that? This is Masinga Dam. See the water? This is Masinga Dam. For those of you who are Kenyans, if you have ever heard of Masinga Dam, that's Masinga Dam. All that, all that, all that. Yeah, because there are those trees, they're blocking, but I guess you can see the water. It goes all the way up, 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 up. I don't know whether I can zoom in up enough. I'm using my phone. But it goes up to, I don't know how many kilometers, probably 10, 15 kilometers up. I mean, you cannot see the end of it. It goes beyond those mountains you can see there. Yeah, all that is Masinga Dam. Now, this Masinga Dam is built on Tana River. Tana River is the biggest, I think it's one of the biggest, or probably the biggest river in Kenya. So this dam is built on that river. And for those of you who know a bit of your, I don't know whether that's geography of Kenya or what, but this is Masinga Dam. After this Masinga Dam, it empties to Kamburu Dam, and then to Kindaruma Dam, Kiambere Dam, Gitaru Dam. There are 5 dams like this, big dams. These are very big dam, by the way. By the way, that's not as close as you might think. That's like a kilometer away from where I am. Probably more than a little bit more than a kilometer away. So it's not as close as you might think. Don't be deceived. So there are 5 dams like this. And for those of you guys who are living in Nairobi, this is where you get your electricity from. Of course, this is one of those dams where you get your hydro electricity from. Then they also get it from Kamburu Dam, Kiambere Dam, Gitaru Dam. There are 5 of them, and now they're building the 6th one. I don't know, are they supposed to be 7 dams? Are they supposed to build 2 more? Because now they're building the 6th one, the biggest of them all. Now, somewhere down there, there is a spillway. And if you come visiting this hotel, and I repeat, this is Masinga Resort, then they can actually show you how they generate electricity, because there is a spillway down there where now they produce the electricity, and you can pay some money and they'll go and show you how they do it. Schools come there. There is a lot of tourism. Tourists come there to learn those kind of things. It's a beautiful place, and with beautiful hotels around. Each one of these dams has got a beautiful hotel like this. Some of them probably more beautiful than this, but this hotel goes all the way down, like you can see. You see the buildings are going all the way down. The gate is somewhere down there. That is another parking. Not we started from one parking. That's another parking down there. And then this hotel, if you know, you've been watching your news, some years ago this hotel actually burnt down, but now they are raising it up. The white where they're building, I don't know whether you can see, the windows are big. They've just been they've just fixed the windows, so and then the pool is there. And when it burnt down, they decided to use some tents just to make sure they are surviving. But now it's coming up very well, and I love the place. You have very good experience when you come here, and one of the things I love most is the views. The views are amazing. I mean, so if you have time, you can always visit this place. It's about 130 kilometers from Nairobi, 140 kilometers, and you'll be here. It's about 2-hour drive from Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, and Nairobi is that way. If you go that way, you're going to Nairobi. And let me just say, for those of you who are Kenyans, you go this way, down this way, you'll be in Murang'a in about 30 kilometers or so. You'll be in Murang'a this way, 35 kilometers. If you go down this way, you'll end up in Kirinyaga County. That is about 15-20 kilometers. And if you go down further that way, you'll be in Embu County. Yes, and by the way, there is a hair strip somewhere up this way. There will be there is a hair strip. That's other rooms with beautiful balconies. Some people were having some good time there last night, and they left all that there. And by the way, there are some monkeys around. Those small ones, I don't know what they are called. The small monkeys, they are here, so you get you can see them. You know, within a few minutes, I think they'll be around. But anyway, they don't have issues. You know, they are beautiful to look at. So I guess they have not gotten there yet, because they would probably get a bit drunk. Yeah, so this is a beautiful place. This is where I slept. I've been sleeping. I wanted to show you around, and if you like this video, if you like this place, if you have ever been to this place, please comment down below. Give us your experiences. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, so I mean, it's really beautiful. But like I said, I'm back on YouTube, and I'm gonna be talking to you. I'm gonna be uploading videos all the time now, because I have all the time, and of course we create time for that. I've been away for a while, so please subscribe, because I'm back and I'm gonna be uploading more beautiful videos like this. If you want me to take you to the other dams and show you the hotels, and you know, please let me know, and I'm gonna take you around on other videos. Just comment down below if you've enjoyed. If you're Kenyan and you're not in Kenya, you've been abroad, say something. This is our beautiful country, and this, by the way, is in Machakos County. All this that you're in Machakos County. This is actually part of Machakos County. By the way, can I tell you something? From here to Machakos town takes longer time than from here to Nairobi town. Imagine that. So imagine how vast, how huge Machakos County is. If you're not Kenyan, Kenya is divided into 47 counties, and one county can be so huge, like can cover a huge space of land. So if you're not Kenyan, by the way, come to our country. We have so many beautiful places. This is just one of those. We have so many places. Come and visit us. But guys, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm preparing to get out of here, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, bye bye.